Sometimes we face trouble when we are not able to close some softwares in our PC. Then we go to taskbar and use end task. Using this end task, we can easily close the softwares. But today we will learn a new tricks that how can we use end task without going task manager. So let's get started. Click the right button of the mouse on the taskbar and select taskbar setting. Then select system and then select advanced. And here you can see the taskbar option and just on the taskbar and close the window. Now I am closing the running software by using end task. So viewers, I hope this video is very helpful to you, and to get more tricks like that don't miss to follow Tech Home.